So here we have my early GE bipolar motor that I picked up at a hit-and-miss engine show the other day, and thanks to several people on the smokestack forum, I was able to figure out how to wire it up and to run it. I didn't know if it was AC or DC or what kind of voltage to apply to it. I also found out that I was trying to hook it up wrong. I was trying to hook it up as a shunt motor, and it's a series motor if I'm correct on that. And so now we have it wired correctly, and we're going to run it here at 50 volts DC. I have a very old Variac that I've had for over 50 years. It was even used at that time. Served me well all these years. And you can see I have a little full wave rectifier to convert to DC. And we're going to try it now. And there it goes. And it's running along well. We're going to go over and see. And this is what I can't believe. It's only drawing half an amp at 50 volts. So 0.47 amps. I think that's a pretty efficient motor. Now it's not under load, of course, but nonetheless, I don't know the age of that motor, but probably the earliest big motor that I have. I have several little toy motors that are that era or a little older. If someone can tell me the era of manufacture of this motor, I would appreciate it. Thank you. Hope you enjoy my video.